Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Schwartz, and for this video, we are going to be drawing red and green poinsettias because the holidays are upon us. But first, I want to talk to you about the artistic element of contrast. Contrast is another word that means like opposite or clash. If you look at the color wheel, I want you to look at the colors red and green. So if you notice, red and green are directly across from each other. So they are complementary colors, meaning they are total opposite or contrasting colors. So if you look at the color wheel, you will notice that red and green, and you can look over here with my little bead buddies over here. Red and green are complementary or contrasting colors. Purple and yellow are contrasting colors. And blue and orange are contrasting or complementary colors. And artists rely on using complementary or contrasting colors in their paintings or their drawings or whatever, because when you put complementary colors up against each other, they really stand out. And maybe you remember when we were talking about this when we did our mosaics earlier this year, but if you don't, that's okay too. So here is a beautiful landscape drawing that uses, or landscape photograph rather, that uses purple and yellow. Here is a painting by Matisse that uses blue and orange. And last but not least, here is a painting by Van Gogh that uses red and green. So contrast just basically means opposite. And we are going to be using contrasting or complementary colors to draw our poinsettias. And this is what a poinsettia plant looks like. You have probably seen them by now. You can get them pretty much anywhere this time of year. But poinsettias are beautiful plants. They are native to Mexico and Central America. And if you eat them, they are poisonous, so don't eat them. But they are red and green, and as we know, red and green are complementary colors. So anyway, what we're going to need for this project is paper, and you're going to need a green marker crayon, colored pencil, red and yellow, and I've already put up a video showing you how to do this on Klecky. So if you want to do it on Klecky, the video's there. Anyway. So you're going to start by drawing your poinsettia petals. So a poinsettia petal basically looks like a giant teardrop, like that. You can color it in. And you want to leave the middle open so you can add some yellow seeds, because poinsettia plants do have yellow seeds. Here is a picture of a poinsettia with the little itty bitty yellow seeds. Okay. So now I'm going to draw a few more poinsettias. Try to draw at least one or two poinsettias. I mean, at least two or three. Of course, you're going to draw at least one. Yeah, but draw at least two or three poinsettias. Of course, if you find this project really challenging, you can always just draw one poinsettia. If you find this too easy, what you can do is you can find a darker shade of red and add some contrast, or not contrast, but some depth to the picture. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here is a deeper shade of red, like that. Kind of give them a little 3D look, almost. And let me add one more point. Oh, I forgot my seeds. Okay, so this is where the contrasting or complementary part comes in. So now, as we know, the complementary color to red is green. So I'm going to start adding green leaves. and leaves are going to be shaped like smaller teardrops. So there's that. So by doing this lesson, you will understand the idea of contrast and complementary colors a little better, and you will learn how we can link art with nature, i.e. flowers, and the holiday season.